James, did you drive?
I saw him when I drove this way. He wants to do bad things.
To you?
My friend.
We need to figure out how to stop this guy. There's another murder.
What can we do?
We keep shooting together.
We believe these police officers are responsible for the death of one of the girls, as well as Sister Nina Kelly. The rings hooks run deep, not just in the NYPD, but the Bronx DA's office, the city council, state assemblies,